Hey guys, I'm back with another video here. We're going to be driving in this truck, a 142 Gumboot. Now I've been wanting to speak to you guys about something. We're going to be going on to a trip called Crawling the Hume. It's going to go from Victoria, the Ford factory that shut down, to Albury. There's going to be this LK and our blue truck. And any of you guys can come as long as you have a €30 truck. That's the entry level. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Any truck you want. A Kenworth, a Freightliner, a Mack, anything, and all other trucks, as long as it's 30 years old and up. It could be anything up from 30. So that's just why we're bringing our trucks, because they're quite old and they're allowed to come. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you can join us. Victoria in September, I think it is. Crawling the Hume's going to start here at the Ford factory. So if you want to see us or join us, come here, sign up for Crawling the Hume, and you'll be able to see the truck in real life. Ford factory. Shut down now, but we'll start here. That's where the whole Crawling the Hume starts, from Victoria, I think, to Albury. Day today. Since we're a truck, we're essential, so yeah, I don't know what this car's doing, because well, we're in lockdown, so what you doing? I'm gonna be picking up a old broken down truck today. I think it's a 142 R-cab. Around the same age as this truck. Gonna be, I think, dropping off or picking up some bearings. Going to BRB Motors. We're actually a sponsor of one of their race trucks. So that's pretty good.